Well, I am at a condo in Denver that we purchased about 2 months ago. The renovation is now complete and we are under contract. This closes in a couple weeks. So I thought I'd show you what it looks like now that we're done, kind of explain what we've done to it and what it all cost. So our all-in cost for renovating this home or this condo was $21,000 and a little bit of change. What we did for that cost is we switched out this laminate floor. It was really crappy older laminate floor with the edges peeling and stuff. So we put this new luxury vinyl plank flooring down. We painted all the walls, the ceilings. We swapped out the light fixtures, which there aren't many. There's just this one in the living room and this one in the dining area. There's a couple in the hall, 2 different vanity lights in the bathrooms that we'll look at, and some bedroom lights. So that was it. The appliances were in great shape, so we didn't have to do anything there. We got the existing cabinets. We painted the old cabinets. We put a new countertop on, and we put new cabinet pulls on. So the quartz countertop with the undermount sink, that ran just, I think, $3,100, something really close to that. And there was our faucet that we got for 80 bucks off of Amazon. That was it. I think all the pulls are a couple $100. We put new door hardware on, so these handles are new. Just bought that off of Amazon. That cost about $800 for all the hinges and the handles. We put new carpet in here. Carpet for this property was $733 installed because we just have 2 little rooms. This is like almost half the carpet right here that we're looking at. New light fixtures here in the 2 bedrooms. Yeah, here's the 2nd bedroom. And that light fixture, new carpet here. Put that same laminate floor that we put in the kitchen. We did that in both bathrooms. We painted the cabinets again. We left the countertops here. And we just put new faucets in. So we were same, these are the old sinks. All we did was stuck fancy faucets on and pulls on the cabinets. So you can paint old stuff and just put new fixtures, a new light fixture above the mirror, new faucets, new door handles, paint it white, and it looks a lot better, right? It's all about the feel that the buyer gets when they walk in the property. We didn't even replace this. It's not the same color as everything else. So we were able to get away with trying to just swap out just enough to give a whole new feel to these bathrooms. And the staging goes a long ways, right? In this property, the staging was $1,200. That's the cost to set it up and the rental while we're finding a buyer. So that's it with this one. Not a whole lot to be done in this property. Just paint, carpet, flooring, change out light fixtures, plumbing, faucets, and a new countertop in the kitchen. You can do this on a lot of properties. A little bit can go a really long ways. This one, $21,000, and it's like a brand new house. We got the top of the market with just spending that much on the property. So when you're looking at comparable properties and you see what drives that higher price, I think you're going to notice that it's the gray trendy flooring, it's the white quartz countertop, it's the light gray walls, it's the new light fixtures, whether they be black or brushed nickel, either way. That's what's driving home values. That's what I suggest that you do in your properties, whether it's a fix and list or a fix and flip like this one. It works great in most properties. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next house.